going to show you how to make the Roti Spinach Squares. This recipe was created by culinary students at the Dan Divert Career and Technical Center in Arlington, ISD. Okay, so we are going to grab a grape tomato and cut it in half. Next step would be grab 2 toothpicks and poke the toothpick into each half and set it aside for now. We are going to use a ruler to measure 2 4x4-inch squares and carefully cut with a butter knife. Okay, we have these cut now. We are going to spread 1 tablespoon of hummus in each center of each tortilla square. This is your hummus, and this is half a tablespoon. Okay, next we're going to grab the turkey slice. We're going to divide the turkey slice, cut it in half. Okay. We're going to add spinach and carrots. And we're going to place it on top of the spinach. Okay. Next, we're going to fold the corners of the square towards the center and put the toothpick with the grape tomato through the center to hold in place. Enjoy your Roti Spinach Squares.